Hi, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to do another unboxing. So let's open this. Ta-da! I know everybody has this already, but I don't have it yet. Airpods. I wasn't gonna buy these, but because I have Telstra account and I have some points to use, and I just paid like 150 something to get these AirPods. And now let's open these. Let's put that away. So nice. So, ear pockets. I don't know if you can see it. It's so tiny. So I checked the video and it's actually very far. So this is the close-up. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.